In this lecture, we're going to talk about how to install the latest version of Rust on Linux. My Linux operating system is going to be Ubuntu 20. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is make sure that we have curl installed. So we're going to run sudo apt install curl. I have curl installed already. The next thing we want to make sure that we have installed is the build essential package. So again, sudo apt install build essential. I also have build essential already installed. So now once you have both of those installed, we are ready to download and run the Rust installation script. So what you're going to do is you're going to curl proto for protocol HTTPS with the TLS version 1.2 HTTPS sh.rustup.rs tac s capital SF pipe it and run the shell. So what it's going to do is it's going to go out, download the Rust installer. It's going to modify the path variable for us, which is really important, allowing us to interact with all the Rust tools from our terminal. So we're going to type 1 to proceed with the default installation. Hit enter, and it's going to go out and it's going to download all of the Rust components for us. And it looks like it is getting Rust version 1.57, which is great because that is the last stable release. So now that it is finished, we are going to run source home.cargo and now we can run rustc tac version. And as you can see, let me clear. We now have the latest version of Rust installed. These steps also work on macOS. I will place all these steps in the resources tab just for quick reference, and I will also make note of how you can get a C compiler on macOS.